Let us play.
Even in the care home we play. We play, therefore we are. We hear, we laugh, we banter, we party. We play games we always have, for all that has changed is the ground we play on, is the age we play in.
Let the music play on, let the games begin. Serve looks in fancy dress, serve ice cream specials. Let residents and staff gather for impromptu discos and jaunts to exciting places. Let all the male visitors be hunky. Let all women shine, let the sun rise at the outset of each day, even if rain clouds may be on the horizon.
Return to the days that rain was extra fun to play in. The puddles splash as we dance in the garden, kick up the mud of joy and wear it proud. Let play be a together thing, punctuated by the pause and rest, the perfect cup of tea or the visit by our dear family. For they too are a part of this play, this game, this hopscotch, this activity, this spring in step, in time, in song.
And if we are alone, may it be playfully alone. We all know that in the alone, we can play in the memory and in the imaginary. But let us not stray too far from the court, the playground. Let us know we are together. We're in cycle, we are in sync, in playful communion. Let us play in compassion, in patience, in understanding.
We play, therefore we are. We are here, and even in the care home, we play.
Play on.
Play on, ongoing gossip, stroll in the great outdoors, take seaside trips and sunbathe, clutching a mountainous ice cream, marvelling as the air fills with children and families' laughter. Play on.
Dreamed of this place as the gateway to experience and companionship. Play on as the bird song starts the day, as banter and friendship bubbles up. Even as we miss their old friends and feel the changes in our bodies, know the music remains and we can play on.
Dream of this place as a playground of memory and fond family. Play on with happiness and positivity as residents and staff gather to craft jewellery, intricate artworks and knitting fond tapestries. May our smiles show up as we ourselves play on.
Dream of this place as the holiday home you shine in all complicity. Play on with the simple joys, afternoon tea, cakes and coffee, fresh air and the younger generations of visitors who breathe on in.
Who light up our already well-lit hearts and minds playing on. Dream of this place as the shifting sanctuary still finding its shape. Play on as daydreamers, keen gamers, churchgoers, magic makers.
As garden tenders, joy keepers, patient listeners and calm speakers.
Now we all play in our own way, and here is where we play on, together. Dream of this place as the beginning of the community and of a new place to play.